This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying essentials so nothing blocks the run. First, confirm Veo 3 firmware and compatible GPU drivers, then enable SSH with admin rights so you can manage services. Next, prepare your dataset with a 1/10 validation split and normalize inputs to the model's expected dimensions. This prevents unexpected shape errors. Once done, start the container runtime, launch the model server, and enable telemetry so you can monitor resource use as you proceed. Now you configure training and execute a controlled run. Load the provided YAML and set batch size, learning rate, mixed precision, and explicit device mapping so compute is balanced across cores. Run a one-epoch dry run to catch data loader, I/O, and memory issues before long training. If memory spikes occur, enable gradient checkpointing and tweak automatic mixed precision to reduce footprint while preserving throughput. Make sure to monitor GPU utilization and adjust batch size. Finish by exporting and deploying your trained model. Convert to the optimized runtime format you need, ONGS or TF-Lite, then run smoke tests with representative inputs to validate accuracy and latency. Automate deployment with rolling updates, health probes, and strict resource limits so you can roll back safely. If something breaks, start with logs for the model server and container, reduce batch size, or switch to single sample inference to isolate the issue, and rerun the dry run. That quickly reveals data, memory, or serialization faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.